Minnie Dlamini claps back after trolls steam her car. Minnie Dlamini has clapped back at trolls, who are hating on her car surprise video. As she celebrated her 30th birthday yesterday, Minnie posted a video on social media, where she was surprised with a brand new Jaguar car. The video shows Minnie, who is the ambassador of Jaguar, walking out of her house with her eyes closed as someone is guiding her to the garage, where her gift is parked. As she opens her eyes, she is excited to meet her brand new baby. Soon after posting the video, some tweets said the surprise was fake and said she should have marked the video paid sponsorship. Some trolls even hated on her and said she is a good actress. Minnie clapped back and said, after it all, she got a car on her birthday.